Are you still paying few $100s for extending your iPhone storage? Because people make videos from 1080p to 4K and with frame rates reach 60 FPS. But with that comes the inevitable storage crush. I suggest you don't do that. This is the device DigiEra I have got. This can completely solve your storage problem. A high-speed magnetic SSD. The one I have here is the upgraded version with 2 TB storage. You can transfer movies, photos, videos or your data in seconds. This will give you experience speed like never before because this supports USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 protocol with a Type-C 20GB interface. And this DigiEra portable SSD read speed of 2000 MB per second. This is faster than any ordinary portable SSD. That could give you read speed of 500 MB per second. So in this scenario, this DigiEra will give you faster speed than any ordinary portable SSD. There is a magnet built in this portable SSD device which allows easy attachment to metal surfaces. No matter you are using any Android device or any iPhone, this device can easily attach to any metal surfaces. If that device does not have any metal surface, you can use this magnetic sticker. You just need to paste this magnetic sticker and it will be enabling secure attachment even to any non-metallic surface devices. The compatibility of this device is very wide. You can see I'm using this small SSD device to my mini PC. It is giving my mini PC a big space. Broadly compatible with various systems and devices such as laptops, smartphones, cameras, iPhone Pro, Steam Deck, PS5, Xbox and more. But there is one setback for those who don't have USB-C iPhone devices. The DigiEra portable SSD is not compatible with iPhones that have a lightning charging port. It only works with iPhone 14 series later models that supports USB-C charging. Therefore, this device does not compatible with my iPhone 14 Pro, but this device is compatible with the rest of my all devices such as my laptop, this mini PC and my other Android devices. One of the best features of this portable SSD device is that if you are running out of space on your phone or camera, you can use this SSD to record and storage videos simultaneously. DigiEra is perfect for anyone who loves filming in high resolution for extended periods, so you won't have to worry about your phones running out of storage. This portable SSD device comes in 4 colors: pink, grey, white and black. I have the black one which I personally like, but you can choose the color according to your own preference. It offers 3 storage options. The first is 512 GB and the second is 1 TB and the highest storage option is 2 TB, which is the one I have. The prices start at $90 for 512 GB and the highest variant is $240. However, if you use my link to buy it, you will get a nice discount. So don't miss this opportunity. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like it and consider to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.